So this is the Triumph Speed 400 that is just launched in Malaysia. So priced at 26,900 ringgit Malaysia. This is what you are actually getting, but this display bike does actually have some optional accessories added onto it, like the frame slider and the side mirrors over here. But other than that, I don't think there's anything much difference. So this is how the seat looks like, and the trip meter over here. So one cool thing, this is quite suitable for those who are a little bit short. The sitting position is a bit lower, and you get front and rear ABS, traction control, bi-brake calipers. Yeah, so pretty solid package what they are actually offering on this single cylinder 400cc engine. So you can see TR series, pretty solid. So you also have upside down fork as well. Yeah, so that's the package you are actually getting in Malaysia, 26,900 ringgit Malaysia. What do you think? Also, Triumph Malaysia launched the Scrambler 400X for the Malaysian market. So this guy here is priced at 29,900 ringgit Malaysia. So everything is as per standard, okay? So you are getting the handle guard here as well, bigger rim on the front, bi-brake calipers, traction control, ABS. Check out this plate over here. This aluminium plate looks fantastic. So you also get this handlebar, the setup like that as standard as well. So this is how the meter looks like. Really solid, solid package. So you can see ABS is inclusive, and this is how the rear tail light actually looks like, and the rear seat. So it's pretty much looking good. So yeah, it's also a dual exhaust setup here. So yeah, this is the Scrambler 400X.
And do that around with the curve, we will make sure that our right is flow. Videographer and our photographer on board take pictures of everyone. So please, right stage, we have our sweeper here, and for the car will be leading the right, following road stage, all everything. So I will be spotlight with the photographer and videographer. So of course, if you guys see me and the photographer, please say hello. And of course.